north side. Driver's side.
Driver's in the middle, so...
Yeah, the statement's true on both sides. Okay, we're getting ready to let the
Dean, can you get me the spark plug size?
the hydraulic fluid out of the
Socket.
bottom of the transmission. And then we're going to do those guys.
The drive shaft.
Drive shaft. The drive shaft guy. To be technical.
Okay.
Technical.
There you go. And then I need a... Oh, that is not big enough.
Yeah. All right, we're half hour into it. 4 bolts off.
Yeah, we're working on shop time here, so I mean, it's
Right.
like...
We are getting paid by the hour, right?
Yeah. Okay, so these hydraulic lines need to go. This one needs to go. This control needs to go. And then where's the...
See, I need to keep my eyes closed while we're doing this, but it makes it hard to work. We only got 20-mile-an-hour winds helping us. And now it's recording. Okay, we got the hoses off. Next we're going to take this little arm that connects here off so we don't have a chance of bending it while we're getting the transmission out. And the wiring harness that's right above it. It's kind of hard to see in the video. Anyway, fun stuff. Alright, we plugged up the hole there and you can see the wiring harness. Let's see here. Right there. That guy. There's a 7/16 couple nuts there.
Really spinning.
Alright. So that 7/16 bolt didn't need to come out, just so as people know. This guy just slides off. Anyway. There you go. Next we're going to take off the little arm for whatever that goes.
That's the shifter.
Oh, shifter. Yep.
Oh, shift.
Shift. All right, now we're down to the last 4 or 5, 6 bolts. But one of the bolts over there doesn't exist. You guys see that now? It exists over on this side. So hey, we got a little bit less work to do. We have a really super big strap under the engine that's intended to support the engine. We have ourselves a transmission jack that we're going to put under here, and we're going to take the mounting bolts off, make sure the strap works before we undo anything else. Wish us luck. So it's been about a half hour, and you know, moral of this story is a really deep 15/16 inch socket would go a long ways towards you know, making our lives a little easier, just so you know. All right, 2 hours later, we got the mounting bolts off. Helps to clean them, we found.
Got any wind noise?
Yeah, a little bit of wind noise. Okay, we got to take those 2 off, and then there's one on the other side in the bottom, and
there's one that has no bolt.
One that has no bolt, so there'll only be like 2 hours left for that. And we'll put the transmission on the jack.
Yep.
It's a beautiful day. Just out here having fun. It's been another 3 hours. Got the bolts off both sides and on the bottom. We've got our transmission jack holding it. Let's see here if I can show you. I don't know if we can see that. Let's see here. So we decided to kind of straddle the back end of the transmission. Let's see how that goes.
Shall we?
Yes, we shall. Okay. It's beautiful. It is really a beautiful day. If it wasn't so windy, it'd be better, but okay, here we go. So that would have been a pretty neat feat until we tried to put it back on. But 3 more 9/16. There goes the starter. And look at the transmission. Just
the only issue is just making sure that as we back up the transmission, it doesn't just fall onto the ground.
yeah, no, definitely. Sounds good. All right, here we go. All right, it's the same day, believe it or not. We got the transmission dropped. It was a little bit of, was it a Sears Roebuck something or other? I don't remember.
No one's going to be able to hear anything over the wind noise.
That's right. That's a seal right there. That orange guy. Not my glove, but it's kind of an art to get the transmission around the drive shaft and all that. And then we were about to take it out and we realized all we got to do is get to that seal. So we got a little bit of extra effort. In case you wanted to see us in action here. Don't be too impressed with our mechanical skills.
Amazing mechanical skills.
Have to say though, the nice thing about this equipment is it's made to be worked on.
Yes, it is.
Dummies like us can make progress.
Here we go.
Got it.
4 bolts.
Trusty hammer. Oh.
Just need that. Oh, heck.
You want me to get down there?
No. Just need this guy.
You say like we've been working on this all day.
It does feel like all day, doesn't it? Let's see if I can get a grip on this. Just need to wiggle it. Wiggle the handle.
Won't be a very good video if we don't get at least one knuckle busted.
Oh, there it goes. Okay. There, she's coming out. Come on.
Alrighty.
Okay.
Oh. Let me get to the heart of the matter.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, look at that.
Okay. So that's what needs to come out, I guess.
Now we got to figure out what we're doing.
Thing is,
So the next thing you do is you just replace the seal and then put it back together.